Yeah, you're feeding him. Chance, you can pet him. You can pet him. You want to pet him? Pet him through the dilly. Go ahead and pet him. You want to pet him? Put your hand out. Aww.
Hey, Chance, give him some food.
Put some food in your hands and give him the food. Let him eat it out of your hands. Wait. He's
Chance,
right there.
go
Feed
here.
him real quick. No. Chance, give it to him. Oh, be careful, sweetheart. Give it to him out of your hand. See? Oh, sorry. Pet him now. Oh, here comes more. Chance, watch this. Watch Mommy. Look. See? You want to feed him out of your hand? Hold your hand out like this, baby. You gotta hold it like that. Tell him to come here. Get your food. Open your fingers. Get some more. Is that enough? Chance, look at this one over here. But this one's so sweet. He's sweet to you. Give him some more food, Chance. Hold your food out like this. Okay. What'd you say? The turkeys? Oh, look, Chance, look at this little guy. Feed him. Here, give me some food. Mama's gonna feed him. You little stinker. Oh, I love how he eats. He's all... Chance goes, here, stinker. Chance, come here. Chance.
All right, give him some food. Give him some food.